Welcome to New Tech Reviews.
Okay, hi everybody, this is Peter Charlton from New Tech Reviews. I am going to make this fairly fast. This is Scan and Bank. You get paid cash for receipts and online purchases, and scanning barcodes and receipts. You get £5, $5 a scan. Yeah, $5 isn't very much, but it builds up pretty fast. People are talking about making quite a lot of money with this. It's all over the place. There are, you go to Google, there's many people doing reviews on this, and most of the reviews are basically just repeats of the sales blurb on the sales page. And no one says anything much about it at all. I think it probably works, and I think you probably get something from it. It doesn't cost very much, and there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. So from that point of view, I think it's okay. It's not a scam; it's legitimate, but it's kind of embarrassing, really. Right, this is the creator, and he knows exactly Sean, and he knows exactly how to sell a product. He's sold many products before. And Warrior Plus sells them, and there are 1,000 sales on this one. This one has 1,000 sales. This one has 3,000 sales. This one, Download Dollars, has 2,000 sales. Docu Profit has 3,000 sales. Scan Bank's costing about $50 up front. Front end is $15. There's obviously upsells for that. But interesting point is that although he's repeatedly selling it, if you go here, and in January, these people were selling it, and they look fair enough, nice people, and Roslyn and Johan were selling it. So it's a rehash of something that was sold before. It probably works. I say it's probably a safe bet if you want to mess around and make a bunch of $5. You could probably end up making quite a bit, but it's yeah. Well, I'll leave it up to you. I'm not going to go through the sales pages. If you go to our link below this video, you can see the sales page. And you can get all the information that has been put out about it from there. And yeah, you're very welcome to buy it through us. There's lots of bonuses. Have a look at the sales page and you'll look at the bonuses. But that's all I've got to say about it. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.
For more New Tech Reviews, press subscribe.